Mbukela sihlabele phambili kulo lolu daba ilungu lomkhandle eliphethe kumnyango wezokuthuthukiswa komphakathi eGauteng okunoMantu Nkomo Ralihoko uthi kubambezeleka kwezimali eSoweto Old Age Home kudalwe amaphutha ezokuphatha ngemuva kokuthi abasebenzi beveze ukuthi abakhokhelwa kusukela ngenyanga kaMbasa. Ungqongqoshe uthi umnyango usuwahlonzile lamaphutha okuphatha aholele ekutheni lesi sikhungo singazitholi izimali zaso nokushiya abasebenzi bengenawo amaholo yize beqhubeka nokunakekela abantu asebekhulile abahlala kulesi sikhungo. uNkomo Ralihoko uqinisekise abasebenzi abathintekile ukuthi bazowathola amaholo wabo ababengawatholanga uma izinqubo ezisasalele seziqediwe.
I was touched because the Soweto Old Age Home, just the name itself, it shows that it is an old organization. They were even telling me the years when it has been funded by the department. They've been working with us as social development. I saw indeed a place that it's a better place that our elders are staying. And it's a place that we must maintain as government so that we make sure that it remains as it is. The elders are here not because they like some of them, there are difficulties that they experience, then they end up being here. Some they no longer have children, then they end up being here in their home. And that's why for us, especially who are at this level in government, we must make sure that all our elders are being taken care of. We take full responsibility, and I want to apologize for the mishap that happened, because indeed the home was not funded this financial year because of the application that they said apparently when they applied, they left the email was not right. All those stories which I was not interested to listen, because what matters now is that elders are here and people that are taking care of them are here. They need to be paid. So, but they need to eat, because remember, everything must be done in the center, and the activities that they are doing to make sure that they don't feel that nobody is taking care of them, and they feel neglected. So that's why, for me, I have a high respect of the staff for the good work that they are doing under the conditions of not getting paid because of the administrative mishap that was happening. So I had then to override that administrative mishap now, and we look into the application. The team is here as we speak, even now in the boardroom. They are meeting, they are working in all the documents so that all the documents can be correct.